Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Kotlay.com? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or to move on. Kotlay is a website that claims to offer a wide range of winter clothing for men and women, especially in United States. These include shrugs, jackets, t-shirts, accessories and much more. Besides, we found a wide array of wreaths in different designs to explore the website further to decorate the house, adding a touch of autumn. All the products are priced at affordable rates. We are actually sharing in-depth research detailed information for this website. Either this is legit or a scam. So let's check out the specification of this website. It is HTTPS secured website. It offers clothing for men and women, accessories, jewelry and wreath. The website does not have a valid contact number listed. Email address mentioned is not matching the domain name and it is a red alert. They are offering 10% discount. For order process, you need 3 to 5 business days and it is sharing 14 days return policy. You can enjoy free shipping over the order of $49. They have mentioned their physical address. The website does not have any social media presence as inactive links are mentioned on the website. The payment method they are accepting are PayPal. Just the positive feature of the website are it has valid HTTPS connection. It is offering flat 10% off. It provides wide range of products. They provide detailed shipping and return policy. It has a simple interface. The negative pointer of a Kotlay website are the website does not have a presence on social media website as inactive links are shared. Reviews are not available anywhere on the website nor on the internet. Contact address appears to be fake. No contact number to connect this website. The company name differs from the brand name, which is confusing. So here the question come in our mind, either Kotlay legit or a scam. So let's check out some other parameters so we can decide about its legitimacy. When we check out its trust score and rank, it have low trust score of 2% with horrible trust rank of 39.1 out of 100. It was created on 20th August 2021 and it will expire on 20th August 2022. The content of the website is of low quality. There is no presence on social media platform. No customer reviews are present anywhere on the internet nor on the products to check the legitimacy. Unrealistic prices are mentioned on the website. When we check out the customer reviews, we found no relevant review present anywhere on the website for customer to check out its authenticity about the product sold. Thus, it is difficult for the customer to get a good idea about the product and the experience of other user who tried the service offered by the website. So we can conclude our discussion by saying that the website is questionable. We found no authentic reviews of the customer, nor an appropriate return address, nor contact number to connect with the website. So we can say that it is not an authentic site, so you must stay away from this store. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.